Hello, friends. Chad Hauer here with the Hauer Home Team, and I'm looking forward to diving right into the July 2021 Pierce County real estate market update. It continues to go bonkers around here, so uh, stay tuned for some more information. Here we go. So this is looking at a 5-year history. Since January of 2016, we have consistently seen values continue to climb here in the local Pierce County area around Puget Sound region. We're at a current median sale price of $517,400, an all-time high. That represents a 20% increase in home values just since last June. To give you some context to that, historically, if we go all the way back to World War II, real estate appreciates about 5% per year. So we have appreciated at 4 times the historic norm over the last year. Look at this. This is looking at the median percent of list price, what homes are actually selling for. So you can see in the last 5 years, consistently, they were selling at 100% of the asking price. And now, just within this last year, we've seen that jump to now we're looking at 102.2% of the list price is really the median right now. So one of the things that we've been advising our clients of a lot lately to help buyers understand the market better right now is the asking price. The list price is no longer the asking price. It's more so the starting bid. It's highly probable that homes are going to sell for over the asking price right now. That is much more the norm than homes selling for the asking price or below. So when we look at the days on market right now, we're seeing it's down to 5 days on market. Unbelievable. You can see here, normal market is about 30 days on market. We've been in a hot market for quite a while now, and it's been pretty wild to watch. The number of pending sales that have taken place in the month of June increased almost 23% just since last June. So we're seeing an increase in the number of sale activity actually taking place. And when I say pending, what that means is a buyer and seller have agreed to a sale. It hasn't officially closed yet, but it's very real-time dealings. Now, when we look at this chart, this is really interesting to look at. The active listings are in red. So this is a 5-year history seeing the number of active homes that have been available for sale in the market over the last 5 years. Look at how it's just gone down, 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 down. And this is where we stand today. We're actually down when we compare the number of active homes for sale. We're down 22.7% compared to how many were available for sale this same time last year. And yet the number of homes selling, which is the green, continues. We're actually probably at an all-time high of the last 5 years, if not, pretty consistent with the high records we've had in the last 5 years. We're up almost 25% in the number of sales that are taking place compared to this same time last year. So isn't that wild that we can be down in inventory? Available homes to purchase is down almost 23%, yet the number of sales that are taking place has increased to over 24%. Now, when we look at the impact of monthly housing that it has on prices, I want to show you this to give you some context. So seller's market typically has less than 6 months is how we would define a seller's market, and that's where home values increase. Now, when we see 6 to 7 months worth of inventory, that represents a neutral market, and we see home prices will typically just go along with inflation. And then if we see greater than 7 months worth of inventory, that's where we deem it a buyer's market, and we see home prices depreciating. So where do you think we are right now? Definitely a seller's market, right? So how many months of supply do you think we are? The lower the number of months, the hotter the market is for sellers. Look at this. Half of a month, 15 days worth of inventory. In summer, that's insane. That's like our peak inventory season. And we are seeing that there is only roughly 2 weeks worth of inventory in all of Pierce County. So what that means is if no more homes were to go on the market from this point forward, given the current trends, it would take a whopping 15 days for Pierce County to be completely sold out of all of their existing homes for sale. So it's pretty wild. If you are all considering selling your house, upsizing, downsizing, maybe selling off a rental property to tax exchange that for a better investment property, maybe higher quality or better producing investment property, now is definitely a good time to seriously look into that. So if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out to our team. We're here to serve you and look forward to the opportunity. Have a wonderful day, and thanks so much for your time.